Hello guys, it's Gary from Creed. Right now the main problem for you is how to mount the Sky Pro gimbal to your M600. And I know you have two solutions. The first solution is that you use the expander kit to control the gimbal. And for this solution you need to map the channel on the A3 Pro flight controller, like map the F1 to F8 channels to the channels on the GoPro gimbal. And for this solution, it's a little bit complicated for the wiring, and I do not recommend this. It's not so convenient. And I will recommend the second solution is that you use another controller to control the gimbal. And for this solution, you use an extra controller. And for the video streaming, you will need to use the libraries tool to see the video streaming. You can find one video out port here and use one long HDMI cable to connect to the gimbal. And in this way, you will use the this extra controller to control the gimbal, and you can see the video streaming on the DJI Go.